Operators are special symbols or keywords that are used to carry out computations and perform logical operations. This introduction will cover the types of operators in Python, including arithmetic, comparison, logical, bitwise, assignment, and special operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The plus symbol is used for addition, the minus symbol for subtraction, the asterisk symbol for multiplication, the forward slash for division, the percent symbol for the modulo operator, which returns the remainder of dividing the left-hand operand by the right-hand operand, the double asterisk symbol for exponentiation, or to the power of. Finally, the double forward slash is for floor division, which is division that rounds down to the nearest integer. Comparison operators in Python are used to compare two values and return a Boolean value, true or false. The double equals operator is used to check if two values are equal, while the exclamation point equals symbol checks if two values are not equal. The greater than symbol is used to determine if the value on the left is greater than the value on the right, and the less than symbol checks if the value on the left is less than the value on the right. The greater than or equal to operator evaluates if the value on the left is greater than or equal to the value on the right, and the less than or equal to symbol operator checks if the value on the left is less than or equal to the value on the right. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements, and returns true if both statements are true, or returns true if at least one of the statements is true, not reverses the Boolean value. Bitwise operators perform operations on binary representations of integers. Note, I'm not going to dive too deep into binary as it'll blow out the scope of the video. All you need to know is that computers store text, images, videos, etc. as a stream of binary digits called bits, which is text composed of ones and zeros. Python's bitwise operators let you manipulate those individual bits of data at the most granular level. In this example, the value 10 is represented by the binary value 1010, and the value 3 is represented by the value 0011. The ampersand symbol represents the bitwise AND value. The pipe symbol represents the bitwise OR operator. Finally, the circumflex symbol represents XOR, while the tilde symbol represents NOT. If you'd like to know more about how the Python interpreter evaluates these bitwise operations, I've linked off to Neso Academy's video on bitwise operators in the description and the top right of the video. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables. For fun, let's count the number of times I say assign in the next section. The equal symbol is for simple assignment. The plus equals symbol adds and assigns. The minus equals symbol subtracts and assigns. The asterisk equals symbol multiplies and assigns. The forward slash equals symbol divides and assigns. The percent equals symbol performs a modulus and assigns. The double asterisk symbol exponentiates and assigns. The double forward slash symbol applies floor division and assigns. Python includes some special operators, like identity and membership operators. Starting with identity operators, is evaluates to true if the variables on either side refer to the same object. Is not evaluates to true if the variables on either side do not refer to the same object. Next up, membership operators. In evaluates to true if a value is found in the sequence. Not in evaluates to true if a value is not found in the sequence. Cool. I'll close out this video with a quiz. Question number 1, easy difficulty. Given A equals 5 and B equals 10, in the expression C equals A times B, could you please tell me what C is equal to? Question number 2, medium. Given A equals true and B equals false, what does print not A output to the console? Question number 3, hard. Given A equals 10, what does this expression evaluate to? That concludes our introduction to operators in Python. If you like the video, like the video. If you'd like to see more of me, press subscribe. Thank you for watching.